Welcome, Ji. Let's now discuss the results of uh, ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank today is announced its results. So let's analyze what kind of results they are presented in the last this quarter and last quarter, and also compare in the last year what kind of performance they have delivered. So let's open is stock. Uh, you can I am on official website of BSC, and here you can just HDFC ICICI Bank, and I am just taking downloading the results just published today, and I look the uh, go to the announcement sector, and you just click on the button, and here you find go down, and oh, sorry, if you down here, that okay. So this is the ICICI Bank Limited, and here is the result. Okay, board meeting at the 9, and finally there are results. Just I am going to download these results, and let's look what kind of performance, what kind of results ICICI Bank have. Okay, so here you notice that board meeting at the 9th July. And let's just directly jump to the actual financial results, what kind of results they are declared. And you notice that these board meetings are commenced started 11:13 and concluded at 3:50. Okay, and let's jump. So final we have reached your results. Okay, let's see. Okay, first thing note, all the figure in crore. Okay, show these are the 31st March quarter Q4 result. This is the Q3 result 31st December, and this was the Q4 result in last year. So this is the last year comparison, or this is the quarter comparison. This is yearly comparison, and this is the quarterly comparison. So let's look first income, what kind of income they have presented, and in this 31st March quarter, result was near about 23,443 crores. Let's compare with the last year, in the same period, the overall income was 20,913 crore. That means here income was increased. And if you compare same with the last quarter, and last quarter almost the same, 23,000 crore, 23,000 crore. So if you compare with the yearly result, they have a increase his income. And let's down and compare what kind of expenditure they have done. If you compare the expenditure, the current expenditure was 16,000. If you compare to last year, and you notice that last year the expenses was 14,000, 14,600. That means the expenses also increase, revenue increase, and the same period our expenses also increase. If you compare to the quarterly basis, you also notice that here 16,000 89, and here 60,059 53, so almost flat. There is no major differences here. So overall, let's see uh, operating profit. Operating profit here is the before provisions and contingency. Okay. So if you comparing uh, profit, uh, notice that here is the your number 7,390. If you compare to the last year, 6,233. That means here is also this value is increased. And if you let's look inside one things here is the good. If you let's compare with the net, what the net profit. This is the net profit or loss. So here, if you come, current profit is 1,221 crore. If you compare to the your last year, the same period, your profit was 969. That means ki net profit was increased from 9,000 to 1,200 1,200 crores. And if you compare same with your last quarter, that time the value net profit was decreased, but yearly basis is net profit was increasing. If you let's look one of in any banking stock, we have to look his NPA performance. This is the very you can say critical measurement point for any if you are analyzing any bank's results. And if you notice here that percentage of net non-performing customer assets, if you know notice that in the this current uh, data is 1.14%. If you compare with last year, year was NPA was 2.06%. Here is also decreasing. That is the good sign for ICICI Bank. And if you compare with the last year date, last quarter data, also from last quarter, this also you can say 1.141 is less than 1.149. So if we are considering overall results was ICICI Bank is as not meet as per the expectation, but in this current scenario situation, they have present the good result. You can say they have presented a good result. If you look the so yeah, if you notice that ICICI Bank Singapore this here is the ICICI Bank Q4 net up 26%. Overall, you can say quarter four result of ICICI Bank was 26% up. We have details. So uh, uh, this is our final outcome is that due to this countrywide lockdown, due to the coronavirus situation going on, still ICICI Bank have maintained his some level of profit. But this we have to wait and for the next Q1 quarter, Q1 result. Actual impact would be reflected in the Q1 result. So please wait and quality perspective, this stock quality and stock management, as per the my analysis, it is as per the expected, and this bank is also trading at the good price. So we have to wait and watch the next Q1 result, what kind of performance they are going to present. Hope that's useful for you. Thank you.